guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Sisang here and today is day 4th of our Tawang trip. So guys, today we had planned to go to Bomla Pass and Madhuri Lake, but unfortunately the roads blocked. There is something happening with the military area, so they're not giving us access to go to Bomla Pass, so we have to have some change of plan. So we will be going to Bomla Pass and Madhuri Lake tomorrow. That'll be our second try. But for today we are going to a place called Lumla, which is not very far away from Tawang, and there are a couple of sightseeing places there as well, and also probably we'll explore the local market area. So yeah, I'm super excited and let's go.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
So we finally made it to this small little village called Lumla, and we have stopped by to have some tea. The weather is beautiful. It's a little cold, but in a really nice way. So we have Tenzin here and the rest of us. We are all waiting for the tea to be served. Say hi, Tenzin.
Hello.
So yeah, so Tenzin, how are you feeling about Lumla?
Great. I mean, this wasn't part of our plan, so it turned out to be great.
Yeah. So we just reached Lumla headquarters, and actually this was out of plan. Today we had plans to go to Bomla Pass and the Madhuri Lake. But for some reason, I mean, the road was blocked, hence we had to come here. But we are very happy with our decision because the place looks fantastic, it's beautiful. In some time, I'm going to show you the area around. But for now, we are just chilling here because the weather was so cold, we thought that, having some tea would be a good idea. We have come into the small restaurant, it's a small hotel, and we have ordered for some warm tea. So we are all enjoying our tea here now. You can see everyone's here enjoying their warm cup of tea. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
We have finally reached our destination. It's a temple. I do not have much information about the temple though. What I'm going to do is we'll go inside, click a few pictures and also get the information on the temple and get to know the place a little better. And yeah, so what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
So guys, yeah, it's a beautiful temple, but however, I think this is not the visiting hour. It seems to be closed, so we can't go inside. But however, we have got the liberty of, like look around the place. So yeah, so we are taking some time, and there's a staircase that we can climb and go up. So that's where I'm going. And yeah, let's see how the place looks from the top. We have reached the top. Top in the sense it's just the first floor, and I don't think so we can go above this, but you can see how beautiful the view is. If you want to enjoy the view from this temple, you can actually come here and enjoy the view at the back. The only thing is it's a little foggy right now, so the visibility is not that clear, but yeah, otherwise it's a nice place to hang out. You can see the entire details in this temple is done very beautifully. Let me show you some detailing.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow.
So guys, this flower, as the locals call it I love you flower. So when I asked them that why do you call this flower I love you, they showed me the reason for it. So if you see the number of petals here, if I start plucking them off, ILOVEYOU. So hence this flower is called I love you flower. It's a very pretty and interesting concept, guys. So I just want to share this with you. Hey guys, so we done with the temple visit. Now we are moving towards a restaurant. On the way, we had come across a beautiful restaurant with a waterfall view and stuff like that. So we plan to go to that restaurant and have the lunch. And after that, we'll see if we have to return back to Tawang or if there are any other sightseeing places nearby. So yeah, so let's go, guys. Let's go have lunch.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today.
We have come down to the small restaurant called as Monul, and we are still in the same place. So we thought it's better to grab our lunch here and then move ahead to Tawang, because I think the journey to Tawang is 45 kilometers from here, which could take you more than 2 hours. So and also in between there was nothing else. So it's almost lunchtime, so we thought that it would be best if we can just have a lunch here and then move ahead. The restaurant seems very small, but it's a small, nice one. It's clean and the food seems tasty. So yeah, let's have our lunch now. Hey guys, so the food is served, and as I've shown you how, like how nice the food looks, it is really home cooked food, and I mean, certainly it has exceeded my expectation. It is delicious, and yeah. After our lunch, we plan to head back to Tawang. That will take us another 2.5 hours, and yeah. In the meantime, let us complete our lunch.